Introducing in-wall power from OnQ. 3 models available. These in-wall power kits are ideal for concealing cables and providing in-wall power without the need to modify electrical wiring. Great for behind wall-mounted TVs. Designed for easy installation and retrofit applications. Today, we are going to be installing the Legrand CPT306W-V1 in-wall power kit to power the TV and pair with the Sanus Advanced Tilt 4D mount. The in-wall power kit includes a convenient cutting template with instructions, recessed upper module with pre-installed tamper-resistant outlet and cable access strap, lower module with power inlet, and 6-foot power cord. Additional tools you may need for this installation include first, for installation prep, find your desired mounting location between the studs and in close proximity to your TV mount so that it can be hidden after TV installation. Also consider choosing a location that may be near the connections on the back of your TV. You have a maximum of 6 feet from the upper and lower modules, and your lower module must be within 6 feet of the nearest outlet. After you have finished measuring for placement, trace the cutting template for the upper module and the low voltage bracket for the lower module. Use your level here to ensure your markings are plumb and level. Use a drywall saw to cut the outline for the top and bottom modules. Next, insert the upper module and in-wall rated power cable into the top opening. Run the low voltage cables through the cable access strap in the upper module and down the wall exiting from the lower hole. Secure the low voltage ring into the lower opening and route the low voltage and power cable through. Secure the 4 locking tabs with your Phillips screwdriver. Feed your low voltage connections through the pass-through and secure to the wall. Next, screw in the wall plate with your flathead screwdriver. Connect your TV and components and plug the included power cable into a nearby outlet. And you're done. If you have any questions along the way, please contact Legrand Support.